Is it the right time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? In this video, we will delve into a detailed analysis of the VOO ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 4, 2024. Today, we'll provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis to help you make informed investment decisions. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you won't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a potential buy candidate, with a score of 3.36. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Over this time, the stock has experienced a gain of 7.51%. This means that, on average, it has yielded a return of 0.18% per day since it was labeled as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise within this trend. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 13.93% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.87% to 18.60%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 16.18% change over the next year, with a potential return between 5.14% and 19.22%. This means the price could range from $451.51 to $511.95 after 12 months. Our latest update for VOO brings some interesting news. It was a red day on Thursday for VOO. On Thursday, the 4th of January 2024, the VOO ETF price experienced a decrease of -0.316%. It went from $430.79 to $429.43. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.83%, starting at a low of $429.21 and reaching a high of $432.78. The price has been fluctuating during this period, resulting in a loss of -2% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume should follow the ETF's movement. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -823,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.68 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $438.84, while the lowest price was $348.06. Currently, the price is 2.14% or $9.41 below the 52-week high, and 2.68% or $11.83 below the all-time high on the 4th of January 2022 when it reached $441.26. Let's take a look at the signals for VOO, the ETF. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for VOO, while the long-term average signals a buy. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $434.86. On the other hand, if it falls, it could find support from the long-term average at approximately $425.35. A break through the short-term average would indicate a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average would indicate a sell signal. There are also some negative signals to consider that may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, resulting in a 2% decrease. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. On a positive note, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, January 9, 2023, in the long-term chart. This rare combination of the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line often leads to significant gains for the ETF. Today, we'll discuss some fascinating signals that you should know about. First up, we have the moving average convergence-divergence, which is indicating a sell signal. Next, let's talk about pivots. This signal suggests a sell position 11 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal showed a buy position 11 days ago. Moving on, the short-term moving average indicated a sell position 4 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 44 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 40 days ago. Now, let's take a closer look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a sell position just 2 days ago. On the contrary, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 38 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for VOO. VOO, which is an ETF, has a support level at $412.23. When the price approaches this level, it could be a good opportunity to consider buying as we might see an upward reaction. This ETF generally has controlled movements and it's highly liquid, which means the risk involved is considered very low. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $3.57, or 0.83% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, its daily average volatility has been 0.636%. Today, we'll be diving into potential day trading levels for VOO. In case of an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for VOO, which is at $432.34. If you're not already invested in the stock, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, for those who are already holding the stock, this could be an interesting level to explore for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $412.23. If this support level holds, it could serve as a potential entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. We recommend setting your stop-loss at $410.11, which represents a decrease of 4.5%. This particular ETF exhibits low daily movements, making it a low-risk investment option. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 10 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a generally positive trend, we believe there is a buying opportunity for VOO ETF. Our analysis shows that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, January 5th, we anticipate VOO to open up $1.04 and start trading at $430.47. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? We're curious to know. And if you find this information helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for tuning in.